What are we cooking today, Joyce?
We're making noodles. This is called Silver Pin Noodle. I took it out earlier because it was a whole block like that. But when you let it out in room temperature, when you stir fry it, will be better. I want to make an egg like a ribbon, my little toy. Hey, it's all about the toy.
You can always use a fork, Joyce.
I know, but
That's what we use.
who are we?
Okay, not me.
Exactly. Hey. You pick on me, I pick on you. I don't like to scramble it too much because I like it to see the white. It's prettier.
Is it a dim sum dish?
Yeah, it's a dim sum dish.
Vegetable oil?
Vegetable oil. Just maybe like half a tablespoon. Let it heat up. Isn't this cute?
That's one egg, right, Joyce?
One egg. Just medium, don't be too hot. And then I'll roll it around because I want it thin. I want it to cut into like a ribbon. You haven't seen this trick before, huh?
You need oil though, right, Joyce?
Well, don't put too much oil. I want it coming out on the edge to cook it. It's tricky. If you have not enough oil, and it will stick. You know what? Maybe I'll flip it. What can I do without chopstick? Then it's done. Yeah, chopstick's not good. Okay, let it cool, then it won't burn my finger. The egg, like a ribbon. Mix it in. It's gonna look pretty. You want a piece?
I can wait, Joyce.
Nah. Come on.
Alright.
This is from the green market. That's why it's tastier than most egg. You can set it on side. Prep the mushroom. I cut the stem out. This is shiitake, but fresh. This is from Chinatown. You realize that I'm using two different cutting boards because
the raw meat.
Yeah, that's the raw meat. This is not going to be cooked anymore. That's why I have to be careful with that. That's why I cut that first. I'll devein the shrimp because I deveined the rest of them already.
Is that jumbo shrimp?
Yeah. I thought nothing gonna come out. Save this. If I want to make like a noodle, that would be a lot of flavor. Okay, I'm gonna cut this in here. Maybe about this big. Like one shrimp become 3. Because I like to pinch the bean sprout. Because pinch it already. I don't want you watching me.
That's a lot of work, Joyce.
Cooking is a lot of work. Let it sit here. If I have to, oh, okay, stay. Cut some ginger. Because I have shrimp. Sometimes shrimp can be fishy. Put some scallion on top of it. Half a teaspoon. Because usually I stir fry the vegetable first. Sometimes I have a little water, then I can use the water to cook the meat.
Okay.
Uh-oh. I thought it was hot enough, but a little salt. I usually put the salt in the oil. You don't want to cook this for too long. I love to just eat it like this. So I'm going to take it out and put the rest. See, there's a little water when I... Mushroom, put a little bit more oil. This is like 1 tablespoon. I should put a little salt. Okay, spread it out. Let's get a chance to have it cooked. All the oil is gone. Mushroom is not even cooked.
How can you tell?
It's softer. It's not just white. See, like these are more cooked. You can tell it's softer. I'm going to cover it for a minute. See, that's cooked. Smells good, right? I'm going to turn it off. You're going to all mix in. That's why I don't need to put it on a separate thing. You know? I'm getting really hungry. But when I'm ready to eat, then I'm not hungry because I'm smelling the food. Yeah, I cooked that. This one doesn't need thickening sauce.
It doesn't need salt, right?
No, because seafood is naturally salty. For the noodle, I need a little salt to sprinkle it when I'm cooking it. Because you have seen this trick before, right? When I fry rice, now is the time to put it in to cook the shrimp. Because you can see the shrimp with you cook faster. I don't want to overcook it because eventually I'm going to put it into the noodle. Open you. I think you're gonna like this. Even though it's hot. I love this noodle.
How long do you put that for?
Not long. These are noodles that usually cook, you know what I'm saying? Put it out, get a chance to cook it. Dissolve it, and then sprinkle.
Like fried rice.
Yeah, like fried rice. Ah, you remember.
Well, what does that do?
Or put salt in it. If you just put salt, it might be on one spot. So I'm going to cover it for a minute.
Like a noodle?
See, this is pretty much cooked. You can tell. So I'm going to throw the ginger in here. I should have put the ginger in when I'm cooking the shrimp. Like, so, you know? A little bit of dark soy for color. I'm going to throw everything in it. I'm going to turn it off. That's how you mix it. You shake it a little bit. The wok is so hot, the shrimp will be 100% cooked now for decoration. And then they don't give you this much shrimp when you go into the restaurant. You'll put a couple of these, and then some of these. Picture time!